Hello friends, do you know how to come out of procrastination, that is postponement attitude? Today I am here to explain you very important points by practicing which you can come out of this kind of mindset and achieve whatever you want in your life. Let us now jump into the topic, the actual topic. Procrastination means you have taken a decision but you are unable to implement it. You are trying to achieve something and you don't try to jump into the practice, whatever the practice you need to do. You try to postpone it. Not today, tomorrow we'll do that. Day after tomorrow we'll do that. Today is not the time. Today is not the right time. And we need lot of strength for that. We need lot of resources for that. And you will doubt yourself. And you will try to postpone it many a times. Because of which you will not be able to achieve anything. You will not be able to see the growth in yourself, in your life. How to come out of this? If you want to come out of this, very first practice, very first attitude you have to develop is perseverance. That is called as dedication. You have to check yourself whether you are really dedicated or not, whether you are committed or not. Do you have commitment towards what you are thinking of? Are you really serious about it? Do you have perseverance? Are you really interested towards it? If you are not seriously interested, if you are not seriously committed, you will find enough reasons not to do it. You are not seriously interested. How do you do it? If you are seriously interested, if you are committed, then you will definitely try to do that work today itself, not tomorrow. There is no life called as tomorrow. There is only life called as today, now. If you are committed, you will do it now. You will not think of tomorrow or day after tomorrow. There is no question of future. There is only life called as current moment. Another more important practice which you have to do is meditation. Why you have to do meditation? You are not able to do what you want means your mind is not in your hands. Your mind is going here and there. When your mind is going here and there, you will not be able to do anything. You will try to postpone. You will not be able to stand on what you are thinking of committedly. So, my dear friends, if you truly want to achieve anything, start practicing any one of the meditation technique which you know already. At least one technique which you know already, which is very easy. Start practicing meditation and try to take control of your mind. If you take control of your mind, you will be able to choose what you want to do, what you don't want to do. And you will be able to manage your time and your life easily. If your mind is not in your hand, what you can do? There is nothing you can do. Nothing is there in your hand because you yourself are not there in your hand. When you are not in your hand, your life will be in somebody else's hands. So if you wanted to achieve something, if you don't want to postpone, start practicing more and more meditation. At least half an hour a day, 1 hour a day if possible. First thing is increase your commitment level or dedication level. And another thing is practice meditation. Another very, very, very important practice you have to do is try to meet people who are really committed. Not those people who are like you, those who postpone all the things. If you meet people like you, you will again become the same person. Try to meet people who are committed. Try to meet people who are achieving a lot of things in their life. Try to understand how they are achieving. Try to read their lives, their books. Try to understand how they are living their life, how they are taking decisions, how they are working hard. If you try to understand their lives, you try to meet them, the same kind of attitude you will be able to develop in yourself. That will be induced automatically. If you keep moving the right people who are having right attitudes, that right attitudes, whatever may be the attitude, that attitudes will be transferred to you. So try to choose right people in your life. Try to meet them, as many people as possible. If you don't find, try to find in Google. Try to read them how they are able to achieve all the things what they are achieving. And this is very important attitude, so that you will be able to easily come out of your mindset, your postponement mindset. Then another most important, fourth important practice you have to do is try to fix a goal. If you don't have any goal, if you are not having clarity on your goal, you will not be able to achieve anything. You will always think that this is not so important because you are not clear about your goal. Try to get more clarity on your goal. Why you have to achieve that goal? Why do you want it in your life? What are you going to get out of it? What is the development you are going to get out of it? Try to get and find or decide what is your goal in coming future, in few days, in 1 year, 2 years, what you want to achieve. So get clarity on it. Be clear about it. Then you will be able to practice. You will be able to choose anything, whichever you want. So my dear friends, totally 4 things you have to practice. First thing is be committed. Increase your commitment level. If you want to increase your commitment level, you should bring your mind into your hands. That is by doing meditation. And third thing is try to meet right people who are committed, who are very serious towards their goals. And fourth point is finalize your goal for at least for future, 6 months, 1 year future, short future, and work on it dedicatedly, committedly. Then that kind of attitude will be developed naturally. So practice these 4 points, get results. If you really like this video, and share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.